Here the problem statement is user will give us a sentence, and in that sentence we need to convert the starting letter of each word into uppercase and rest of the letters in each word into lowercase. Let us read the sentence from the user. And let us add some help message here. Enter the sentence. So we have sentence here, a sentence something like, for example, Rama is a good boy. What we are supposed to do in this sentence is, in each word, the starting letter is supposed to be capital, and then rest of the letters should be in lowercase. Similarly here, I is supposed to be in uppercase and rest will be in lowercase. Here G is supposed to be in uppercase, rest will be in lowercase. For each word we are supposed to do that. To do that, first we need to split the sentence into a list of words. Words list equal to sentence dot split. The split, if you don't give any character inside these braces, the split happens based on the space. So what this sentence dot split will give us is a list of words, like Rama as first item in the list, is the second item in the list, something like this. We'll get list of words. So we will iterate through this list of words for word in words list. Before that, let us initialize result sentence. Result equal to let us initialize it into an empty string first, and in each iteration we are going to get one word in this sentence, and we are going to convert that word as per the requirement, and then append that word into this result sentence. So after the end of the for loop, we are going to have, sorry, we are going to have a sentence as per the requirement. Here result sentence, we are going to append the word in the required format. See, in this word what we are supposed to do is, first character is word of 0, this is supposed to be in uppercase, and then rest of the characters in the word, that is 1 colon. Here word of 0 is, let us assume the word as Rama, word of 0 will be R, and then a word of 1 colon means from index 1. R is the 0th index, and index 1 is from A onwards, that is rest of the letters in this sentence except the first one. That is what we are capturing here, and we are going to convert this into lowercase. And then each word should be separated by space. Like we are adding one word into sentence, right? After the word we need to add one space here. So after this for loop, we are going to treat each word and then convert it into starting letter as uppercase and rest of the letters as lowercase as per the requirement. Let us print the result sentence. Or let us say this as converted sentence. Converted sentence is since the sentence is also a string, we can directly give the string like this. Let us print this. Let us test this. See, we have given cases in a haphazard way, like there is no proper order for defining the case of each letter. Let us see the result. See, converted sentence is Rama. In Rama, R is only capital. Is, in is, though these two are uppercase, the first one is uppercase, second one is lowercase as per the requirement. And A, Good. In good, G is only capital, rest of the characters are in lowercase. Similarly, in boy. This is the end of the program.